All right. What are we doing today? We got. Oh, are we running already? Cool. So I can go patience, and then I can do a full page fresh on patience. What is it? I wonder. Okay, so when dealing with a single page application using a front end JavaScript client framework, there's going to be some school of thought that says, hey, I went to a page, I already loaded some data, I don't need to load it again. Now, that only works well for when your data doesn't change often, or like you've done some kind of a search and there was some results, and you just, like, if you're navigating around, you just kind of want it to be there again because of how you're using the application. And so in the single page application sense, you've got some state somewhere on the client, and then because it's already there and you like went somewhere and you navigated back, oh, I'm sorry, that music was probably really loud. Oh wait, no, what am I saying? It should be good. My audio is screwed up for the stream. Right now I still don't have like levels worked out well. So I was saying that if you navigate away and you come back, you've already done your requests. Your state's already in the front end, so it's already there populating in your page. And in htmx land, you don't drive that state from that spot. You drive state just from the server and in your HTML. So I wonder, based on a browser's natural tendency to sort of serve something from cache in like a get, if it would serve a cached result. And I actually don't fully understand the rules around browsers doing that, but I know they do it. Where your hard refreshes come into play. Okay, so let's start fresh here. Let's go home. So what do we get? Straight to localhost. Yeah. Response should have been HTML. Yeah. Boom. Which it was. Loaded up all our stuff. Oh, my button is still loading. Let me fix that really quick. I don't need to do that anymore. In JS, we just don't need to do whoops that anymore. I didn't really need to do this whole bootstrap thing, but we'll leave it in for now. Okay. Oops, sorry, hold on. Great. That's more like it. Okay. So if I go to patience, I should see a request to patience. Yes. Back home. It's XHR, you're right, that makes sense. And what happens if I go back to patience? It just comes back. And those are XHR because they're boosted links. So let's add. Let's add something to patient's content. Oops. I'll just list patients. And then let's see. Weirdo. Age 32. See that. And then we'll have name weirdo. Oops. Age 23. And then smacked the mic. Gotta stop doing that. Function patient list. Return. We'll just do list. And then patients map e into a lie. It's a lie. Oh, I did something wrong here. Oh, I see. And this is gonna be. Oh, we'll just do name. And then wait, why aren't you pulling through? P dot. Oh, it thinks I'm a. Oh, interesting. Do I have to? No way. Is that a? Okay. I don't really like that, but okay. Let's do it. Let's go. Span. Let's get a span up in here. Name with a space. And I'm gonna span with an age. All right. Oh, that is the weirdest format I've ever seen. Super strange. Okay, so I'm really bad at JSX, but maybe this will work. Oh, I did this in a weird way. Okay. It's okay. I got it. Sure. Do I need the request? No. Okay, so this is where I need to I'm not going to put stuff into a service or make it fake async right now. but I will. I am going to. Whoa. I'm going to put patience down here. And I'm going to say that this takes patience. This returns patient list with patience equals patience. Is that how you do that? Oh, whoops. Okay, cool. I did something wrong there. Oh, do I need to do that? Okay. Cool. So I'm still thinking about this in a weird way. So I'm gonna do it like this because why do I care? No, it's weird because I could just load this up, but then only. All right, we'll do something like a button. This is delete. Let's not delete. Let's like disable. And then let's say enabled true. Enabled true. And the button, do it. Post patience. Yeah, like an identifier. And all right, so let's do that next. Let's not worry about that yet. When I first load up the page, I probably just want all of it to be there. But I wonder if it would be slow and you wouldn't see anything. There's stuff for like if it hasn't loaded yet, or yeah, indicators. When an AJAX request is issued, it is often good to let the user know that something is happening. You can accomplish this using the indicator class. Okay. Class defines that the opacity of an element. This class is 0 by default, making it invisible but present in the DOM. Sure. When htmx is requested, it'll put htmx request class onto an element. So it calls a child element with htmx class with transition 1. Okay. Oh. Here we have a button. When it is clicked, yeah. While the htmx indicator class uses opacity to hide and show the progress later. The mechanism you can create your own. Use this transitions like so. Sure. Okay, so it's like if you navigated in the top level, you could then tell some sort of spinner. You could let that be the, like, have that indicator class on it. Something. We'll get into that later. Sounds decent though. I just don't think there's a reason for me to not. So this doesn't make sense. I'm gonna do this later. Or next. Oops. Yeah, so this doesn't make sense. Oh. Okay, that is not happy. Patient set map is not a function. Oh, okay. Oh, it's because it's Um, props dot. It's props dot. Props. Okay. Let's try that. Oh wait, hold on. Yeah, let's try that. What? Blasphemy. Oh, that worked. Oh, weird. Oh, I see. God damn it. Sometimes. Okay. So we have full page refreshes. We have navigation between the two. I wonder. So I bet it's in the response header, and that's how. God, I haven't actually had to do a lot of work with e tags before, but does MDM? Yeah, nice. Entity tag. Response header is identified for a specific version of a resource. Version of a resource. Interesting. It lets caches be more efficient and save bandwidth, as a web server does not need to send a full response if the content was not changed. Additionally, e tags help to prevent simultaneous updates of resources from overriding each other. So the e tag, whoops, plus maybe a keep alive. Indian keep alive header. Oh, interesting. All right, keep alive is not what I think does the hinting. Anyways. So we could do a disable, right? So then in here you have a button. And then in here you have key.enabled. So you say disable or enable. And let's just make sure that comes through. Great. They're both at disable. If I go change one of them, we should see enable and disable. Great. So now we can do a post. With the same header. Just get that real quick. Oh, weird. All right, fine. We'll say flip enabled. Yeah, we'll just call that. And we'll say no, we'll just call this status. And then we'll need to have. All right, so I did work out this pattern already, but I put it somewhere else. Safekeeping. I like this. Huh. All right, so here's my ID. Got the parameter. Okay, and so then I just need to look at the to-do item, I think. A random ID. I just have it already. Okay, great. Super fucking straightforward. Some of it's so easy. Oh my god. Okay, great. Let's give these identifiers. ID1, ID2. God, it's so easy. Okay, so that's a... Got it. Status. Oh. Um, param ID shabwow post. All right, so I have to set up the little placeholder and then pull it out. Placeholder. Param. It's a string. Oh. Oh, it's a number. What am I talking about? Should be a number, right? Okay. So then I just say, yo, P. P dot enabled. Whoa. Hey, what is happening? No. Equals the opposite of P dot enabled. And then return. Default swap. I don't have that memorized yet. What is the default swap? Puts the content inside the target element. So I want to do an outer. Outer HTML, replace this entire outer HTML. Yeah. So, whoops. HX. Function. Status. Button. Patient. I should just go to oh. Come on now. What? Oh, is it a capital Y? What I gotta do? Oh shoot. Okay, it might be capital Y. Apologies, just practicing my Vim. Okay, I think this Vim, alright, whatever. That just behaves differently than actual Vim. Yep. Okay, I might be done. Oh, undefined. Status undefined. Oh, fuck. God damn it. Oh, JSX noob over here. Never hire this person. They'll just make your React code terrible. Okay. Yeah. All right. Let's try again. Oh, did not work? I do seem... Oh, I'm having some... Okay, that was probably my problem. Nope. Oh, interesting. That totally makes sense. 100%. Absolutely. Ah. Oh, I need to pluck ID, I think, right? Ah, yeah, that was my problem. I shouldn't need that. In fact, let's remove it. Okay. That's probably my... Oh. Okay. It is actually a string. I fucked that up. I thought... Hmm? No, this is valid JavaScript, TypeScript. You can do this. Try again. Are you fucking kidding me? Oh, that's dumb. Oh, it's dumb and I hate it. Oh, goodness. Number. I'm just gonna do this. Haha. I've done it. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, look at my enable and disable buttons. It's so nice. It's so nice to know that the reason why this says disable is because the server said it and it sent back this HTML. It's actually so incredibly nice. There's no other additional layers to have to reason about, which is exactly why I think this stuff is a good idea to continue to vet, because the complexity, that whole other layer just gets fucking nuked, and it's like so good. Like in the back of my brain is just, I feel it. I got some feelings going on. Cool. Yeah. I mean, it just kind of works. All right. So I've had some ideas, had some thoughts off stream, and I want to write them down. We'll get into, like, we'll definitely throw in a few more custom elements, because that's a normal part of an application, or I mean, in some cases it will be. At work, we are trying to move towards that, which I think is a great idea. Really like it. We're not exactly gonna use lit, but you know, maybe I can make a case for it. So write down some stuff. Nav bar with links to pages. Done. So, when Let's see. Landing page can take you to a login page and a sign up page. Patients can sign up and then see a patient dashboard, let's say. I'll just say patient landing page. And then see landing page. Patients can sign up for appointment. Patients can so in that, patients can sign up for next available appointment. Patients can sign up for next available appointment with specific doctor. Patients can view doctors, can view all doctors. Patients can choose some attributes about doctors to filter by. Okay. Doctors can sign up. It's kind of weird. Do I want to sign up as a doctor? Whatever. I'll just do it just for simplicity's sake. I'm not building a real thing in this moment. And then see doctor landing page. Doctors can see personal queue of visitors. Can pull visitor from queue. Actually, we'll keep this real simple. So like the doctor could just say visit, and I pulled it down, and we just consider that the visit happened, and it's all done. Oh, so we're gonna need visits. Visits as an entity. Patients can view history of visits. Can view history of visits. Can pull. Yep. Can see personal queue of visitors. Can view queue of upcoming visits. Can view personal queue. Can pull visitor. Can view. So I don't have ownership. So this doctor is this. A doctor is this patient's doctor. Yet I don't have that relationship established. And I think, at least for now, that sounds Gucci. Although there'd be one interesting one. Where a doctor could assign your visit to somebody else, but that doesn't sound... Yeah. Okay. So these are some of the things to work through. The kind of components to create. So we want some full page components. Full page loading indicator. Probably some like inner components loading container. I'm really gonna try to get a... I'm gonna try and drop my language of component and use element more, but we'll see. Let's do confirmation dialogues. Let's get what are those called? That's the flow for sign up. Oh, what are those called? I can't remember what they're called right now. Let's say let's call it a form flow. God, there's a way better name for that. Card. Oh. What about something like server sent event that updates that updates queues? Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. That'd be good. So, can you patrons that a new patient has asked to see them? That's enough, I think, for now. Yeah, that's going to touch on forms. It's going to touch on flows through that kind of take over your experience. It's going to like have interactions between different entities. Changing the status of those entities. all pretty normal stuff. Okay. So let me see if I can leave a note for myself for next time. Oh, we could use, well, so next time, let's see, next, so I need a sign up button on homepage for patients. Sign up, login button for sign in button for on homepage for patients. Sign up flow, sign in flow, patient landing page. Use JWT for auth. That'll be good to work through, because I've already looked into how to do that, but I just haven't implemented it yet. It'll be good. Patient landing page. All right, yeah, that's next. That's enough. All right, till next time.